Welcome to this tutorial video, where I'll show you how to delete a sheet from the Barcode to Sheet application. As you can see, we currently have 3 sheets in total. In this tutorial, we are going to delete the sheet named Inwards. Click the 3-dot icon on the sheet you want to delete. This will open the sheet options. Scroll down slightly to locate the Delete Sheet option, and then click on it. Click Proceed to confirm the delete action. That's it. The Inwards sheet has been permanently deleted from the application, and the total number of sheets has now reduced from 3 to 2. I hope you now understand how to permanently delete a sheet from the application. See you in the next tutorial video.